Hey everyone, Rob from Overland Gear Guy. Today we have the Tailgate trash bag slash storage bag, the original version of our trash bag. This is version 2. This one has a zipper with a rain fly there. It gives it a little more protection in the elements. The rain fly really does a good job of keep all the moisture from getting down in there. Still have the 2 pockets there for your trash bags or your wrenches, whatever you want to keep in there. There's slip pockets behind those. This will be available in red, blue, green, gray, black, and the orange. There's the mounting system. See all the buckles there. Show you how quick it goes on. So if you did have stuff in there beside your trash or maybe some of your recovery gear, pop that off, throw it inside the rig. Vehicle's out of your sight and you're worried about it. Our newest product from overlandgearguy.com.